Welcome, everyone, to my channel today. In this video, I'll guide you through troubleshooting when the Persona 3 Reload game isn't launching from the Xbox app or Microsoft Store on your Windows computer. Let's dive in. Firstly, navigate to the provided link in the video description, which will direct you to the Microsoft website. Check the Xbox status to ensure all services are operational. If you encounter limited or major outage status, the issue lies with Microsoft, so you'll need to wait for them to resolve it. If all services are running smoothly, proceed with the troubleshooting steps. Begin by disconnecting any PS5 or PS4 controllers from your computer, as well as any unnecessary external devices. Then, attempt to launch the game again. Next, verify and repair the game through the Xbox app. Locate your game under Install on the left-hand side, click on the three dots or right-click, select Manage, go to Files, and choose Verify and Repair. If the issue persists, restart your computer, create a desktop shortcut for the game, and launch it using the shortcut. You can do this by accessing the game settings in the Xbox app or Microsoft Store. If none of the above steps resolve the issue, consider repairing or resetting the game through your computer's settings. Navigate to Apps and Features, find the problematic game, and choose the Repair or Reset option. Another troubleshooting step involves deleting the Microsoft Store local cache file. Follow the provided path to locate the cache folder and delete it. Then, restart your computer and attempt to launch the game again. Ensure that you're logged in with the same account on both the Xbox app and Microsoft Store, particularly if you have a Game Pass subscription. Additionally, verify that your date, time zone, and region settings are accurate. Install any available updates in the Microsoft Store and ensure that your Windows operating system is up to date. Run the WS Reset command in PowerShell to reset the Microsoft Store. Finally, start essential services such as IP Helper, Xbox Services, Windows Update, Gaming Services, and Microsoft Store Install Service. If necessary, uninstall and reinstall both the game and Xbox Identity Provider.